In today's video, I'm gonna give you a brief comparison between HeyGen and ElevenLabs and which is the best AI voice generator for long form videos. So, if your main focus is on audio content creation and you need natural sounding voiceovers that is made by AI and quickly, then your preferred go-to application will be ElevenLabs. But on the other hand, if you're looking to create AI generated videos with avatars and basically you want to run a faceless YouTube AI channel, then your go to application will be HeyGen because it is more cheaper and it's more easier to produce in bulk quantity, meaning you can mass produce your videos in more cheaper than compared to ElevenLabs. But if you want to focus more on quality than quantity, then ElevenLabs is your go-to application. So yeah, this is the brief comparison between the two. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.